In this video, we're going to go through the second type of similar triangles. So the second type of similar triangles involve parallel lines. So the first thing we need to do is identify the set of corresponding angles. So angle ABE, this angle is corresponding to angle ACD, meaning that they're equal. The next angle is angle AEB, which is corresponding to angle ADC. And we have a third common angle at the top. So we can draw those angles in our triangles. So the bigger triangle must look exactly like the second triangle in terms of the angles. And then we can mark in the letters. So A, B, and E. This is 2.5. This is 3 centimeters. Then we've got ACD. So this is 9 centimeters, 10.8 centimeters. So we want to work out BC. Now BC belongs to the line of AC. So let's work out the scale factor. So scale factor. Now that's going to be the big length 9 divided by the smaller length 3, or AD divided by AE. That gives me 3. So we know that the bigger triangle is 3 times the size of the smaller triangle. So we can work out AC by saying that's 3 times the length of AB. So AC is 3 times 2.5. So that's 7.5. But because I want to work out BC, we do 7.5, which is AC, minus AB, which is 2.5, and BC is 5 centimeters. Then for part B, we can work out BE by saying that BE is the smaller length of CD. So we do CD divided by 3. So we do 10.8 divided by 3. So BE will give me 3.6 centimeters. Here's a question for you to try. You can pause the video, and when you're done, I will go through my work solution. Okay, welcome back. So very similar to the last question we did. So angle ABE is corresponding to angle ACD, and angle AEB is corresponding to angle ADC. And there's a common angle at the top, A. So let's mark them in on our similar triangles at the bottom here. The bigger triangle must look exactly the same as the smaller triangle in terms of the angles. So you draw them in, and then we can label it. So now we can go ahead and label it. So we've got A, B, and E. So AB is 4 centimeters. AE is 3.6 centimeters. Then we've got A, C, and D. Now AC is 4 plus 2, which is 6 centimeters. And BE is 5.8 centimeters. So now we've drawn our similar triangles. Now we need to work out our scale factor. So our scale factor is just going to be AC divided by AB, which is 6 over 4, which is 3 over 2, which is basically 1.5. So now that we've got our scale factor, we can work out what AD is. Well, AD is just 1.5 times the length of AE. So 1.5 times 3.6. So you can work that out on our calculator. 1.5 times 3.6 gives me 5.4. We want DE, so DE is the length of AD, which is 5.4 minus 3.6. So that gives me 5.4 minus 3.6, 1.8 centimeters. Now we want to work out CD. Now CD is just the larger version of 5.8 or BE. So we do BE times by the scale factor, which is 1.5. So 5.8 times 1.5. So 5.8 times by 1.5, and that gives me 8.7. So 8.7 centimeters.